Hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Azure Administrator Study Series. This is lab number 9B. So for this lab, you're going to implement Azure Container Instances. So this is the lab number 9B. Right, so before you carry on the lab, make sure you click on the link below the video. It will take you to this link here, this page here. Just click on download it here and download the files needed for this lab. Now let's see what the labs contains. So scroll down and click on 9B, implement Azure Container Instances, and this is the lab objective. So objective, we're going to first of all deploy a Docker image by using the Azure Container Instance, and then on task 2 we will review the functionality of the Azure Container Instance. This lab essentially is not that long, so roughly like 20 minutes we should be done. So if you're ready as I am, let's get to it. Okay, so let's proceed with task 1. So with task 1, navigate to portal.azure.com, and then in the search window, let's search for container. So we see container instance here, click on that. And then let's add a brand new container by clicking on the add button here. And then we need to fill in the basic instance blade. So you select your subscription, and then we're going to create a new resource group. So for this resource group, I'm just going to name this one at AZ104-09B-RG1 and click on OK. And let's give the container a name. So you're just going to name this one as AZ104-09-C1, container 1. We'll place this one in East US. And for the image source, we will select quick start image. And for the image, we're going to use a Microsoft one, so we will leave it as it is. And now let's click on next. And now let's specify a unique DNS name. So these have to be unique, so something no one is actually using. So I'll just name it Coffee Con. And that's it. Then let's click on advance. Okay, we're not going to make any changes here, so let's click on review and create. Validation passed successfully, so now let's click on create. Okay, so the resource has been created successfully. So this completes lab number 1. Okay, so for task number 2, let's click on the resource. Let's go to the resource here. And then under the overview, check the status to ensure that the service we created is running. And then let's click and copy the FQDN and see if you can access the resource created. So click on a new tab and paste the URL in here. And here we go. We can access the container resource with no issues. Let's go back to the lab portal. And then under settings, click on containers. And let's review the logs. So as you can see from here, we made a connection when we copied the FQDN, and we can see the GET request, and that came successfully. You can see a code 200, the HTTP code of 200. So the request that we made successfully connected to our container resource. So this is the end of our lab. So hope this lab helped you to understand a bit about the container. If you did, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and we will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.